Today we woke up early, around 6 in the morning, so we can go to Guatape with William. And we'll see how it goes. With the tour we got, it includes breakfast, lunch, and the boat tour.
We're out here at El Piñón, a few minutes away from the big rock at Guatape, and this is Aguayente, Antioquia. Rain don't want to drink with me, so I gotta drink by myself.
The height of the rock is about 657 feet and about 659 steps to go. We'll see how long it takes us. We made it to the top. He's a lot quicker than we are. We took our breaks.
Finally made it.
Finally fucking made it. Behind me we have the town of Guatape. After visiting the town of Guatape, now we stop here for lunch in this small town. So we finished our lunch in this small little town. Now it's time to go on the boat. So that was our day tour to Guatape for, I think it was about $30 Canadian. It was 100,000 pesos. We got the bus, breakfast, lunch, and a boat tour and to climb the rock. It was a fun day and it wasn't too expensive. And there's Will.
It's worth the money.
It is worth the money. Definitely do it.